Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some fantastic all-season room ideas. If you want a space that you can enjoy year-round, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, the cozy winter retreat. Imagine curling up by the fireplace with a good book, surrounded by plush furniture and warm decor. This design makes your all-season room the perfect winter haven. Next, let's talk about summer breezy vibes. Think large windows, lots of natural light, and a touch of greenery. Light furniture and airy curtains make this space feel like a summer getaway, no matter the season. Last but not least, the year-round entertainment hub. Whether it's a family movie night or a fun gathering with friends, this design has it all. A comfy seating area, a bar, and even an entertainment system make it the ultimate spot for any occasion. All these incredible designs can be customized just for you by Hommie. With our factory direct customization, you get the best prices, delivered right to your door. All you need is a local crew for installation, and you're all set.